So today's video is a haul video. A lot of brands, a lot of websites are giving us tons of deals and tons of discounts and tons of reasons to shop. So yes, I have succumbed to my weakness and I have shopped quite a fair bit, and I want to show you all the things that I have bought in the last month and a half. All this shopping is online shopping and primarily from Jabong, Myntra and the Label Life. So let's get straight into it. I'm going to show you my Jabong shopping first. So all the things that I have bought from Jabong.com are from this brand called Sangria, and all the things that I have bought from Jabong are very desi, very Indian. So the first thing that I bought from Jabong is this really loose kind of kurta which I would be wearing as a dress, and it looks really cool and really fun and really carefree kind of dressing. It is in a blue color which I love. I think I've overdone the blue color in this shopping haul. So I love the blue color, I love this print, and this is a pretty cool dress. I got it very cheap. I got it for 350 or 400. It was almost everything was on a 40% discount. So then I got another blue kurta which also I am thinking of wearing as a dress maybe, and sometimes as a kurta. It's plain blue in color, it's rayon fabric, 400 rupees or so. Just at the bottom it has a high-low hemline and the back is lined with a pink fabric, and I love this combination of pink and blue, and I love this blue color, so I had to have it. But then I got this black kurta which has this gold foil printing on it and this cute little detail on the sleeve, and no, not at the bottom, so just on the sleeve. And I got this because I was looking for a black kurta. I don't have a black kurta, and one of my bhabis just gifted me a really nice pair of black palazzo pants for my birthday, and this is for those palazzo pants. So thank you, Kami Bhabi. This is around also the same range. It was 700 and I got it for 350 or 400 or 450, somewhere around that range. Then I got this kurta which is just for the color. I know I've overdone the blue, purple, pink kind of a thing, but I love this print also. I love the pink, I love this. The sleeves are a different fabric, there's detail at the bottom. On the sleeve, on the bottom, it's a very pretty thing and it fits really well. Although I haven't tried it yet, but I think it looks like it will fit really well. And I love the color. Did I say that before? I love the color. I'm saying it again. I love the color. And the price was really low. It's 700 MRP and I got it for around 400, 450 or so. And then for the last thing that I got from Jabong is another blue kurta. Oh my god, too much blue. So that is this kurta which I think I would totally wear as a dress. Again, it's simple on top with lots of buttons, but at the bottom it has pleats, it has these gathers, and it is high and low, and I think it would be fun. Plus it comes with this inner thing, so it's a layered kurta. It comes with this sleeveless inner thing, and when you wear this under that, this was my entire shopping spree from Jabong Sangria. And moving on now to Myntra. So I got just one thing from Myntra, but something that I really love and I had to show you. So I got this maxi dress. This is from a brand called Cover Story. I got it a few days back and I already wore it last Sunday for lunch and I loved it. You know, there are some clothes that you just wear them and you just feel so good. It's a very pretty color combination. It's really pretty grey with a pale pink and paisleys and flowers and very desi kind of a print on a maxi dress. Plus it has sleeves, which is rare in maxi dresses, and it has these bell sleeves and it has this layer at the bottom, which is really cool. It is not cotton, it is that viscose, that stretch kind of fabric, but it is a cotton blend. It is not that artificial fabric which I hate. This was also on discount and it was for 1500 bucks. This is from the Label Life. Now they have a Sunday deal thing where they put one item on each Sunday for 1000 rupees. This shirt was one of their Sunday steals, so I got this for 1000 rupees, and it has this ruffle detail on the back because I'm a sucker for frills and ruffles. So I went for this and I bought it considering that it was under the shirt section. I expected it to be light denim kind of a thing, so it looks like denim but it feels really light on you. However, this is, fortunately or unfortunately, this is a thick denim, and to me it feels more like a denim jacket than a denim shirt. Little bummed. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my haul, got inspired maybe to spend some money this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up for more such videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please share the video. I'm hoping to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and I really need your help. So please subscribe, please like, please share.